What's up guys, today is Speedcubing FC again. So today is just a special day for me. This is a special day for me. I just got a gift from my sister. I got a gift and it was a cube. This baby here will start resting now, because now I have a new one. Let me do one cell with it, then I'll unbox the new cube. Let's go. Oh my god, no. Okay.
What?
Ta-da! This is it. This is it. Let's go! Alright, let me see where am I gonna start from. Slowly. Woo-hoo-hoo! New GAN magnet. Let's go! Come on! Look at that! Look at this, man! Oh my god. Oh my god. Can't believe I got a GAN. Can't believe I got a GAN. Okay. Woo! Leave. Moment of truth, people. A moment of truth. Come on, baby. Well, before we open the cube, let's check this. Let's check this out. What's in here? Oh, wow, it's a handbag. Looks awesome, soft, awesome. Yeah, that's it. And now, baby. Oh my god, I gotta break it. Why is it not opening? Is that the extra magnet piece? It even comes in an extra magnet piece, just in case. Whew. GAN. Oh. This feels awesome, man. Oh. This feels remarkable.